Familiar ka ba sa mga mukhang to? Michael Jackson, we have Shakira, J-Lo, Justin Timberlake, Bruno Mars. Alam mo ba, itong mga celebrities na to, no? Hindi sila bayad sa Super Bowl. So for context, Super Bowl is a big event in the US. It is a championship sa football. And there are hundreds of millions of viewers na manonood sa event na yon. Pero ang tanong, bakit ba sila pumayag na mag-perform sila na big production performance na hindi sila bayad? It's because, in fact, I'm gonna ask you a question, no? If I'm gonna let you choose, are you gonna choose option A, $5 million na paycheck, or option B, 100 million viewers, and those viewers can produce you more opportunities in the future? Anong pipiliin mo? Obviously, you're gonna answer the 100 million views, no? So, what does this teach us? A lot of people choose the paycheck, no? Kumbaga, parang it's kind of like giving a monkey, no? Monkey, anong gusto mo? Banana or 100,000 pesos? Malamang pipili ng monkey is banana, di ba? What if I tell you that's how we function as a human? We want instant gratification. We want na mag-effort ako ngayon, tapos kikita ka agad ako ngayon. In fact, that's the reason why there's a lot of employees, because that's basically instant gratification. Trabaho ko ngayon, after 2 weeks, magkakasweldo ako. Pero as business owners, it doesn't work that way. It's possible na ilang buwan, ilang taon tayo magtatrabaho, and after years, wala pa ring reward. Pero of course, the kapalit naman nun is mangyayari bigger rewards, bigger opportunities. And the reason why they do this is because after their performance, their brand becomes bigger. More people see them, more albums, more concert opportunities. And I want you to apply this in your business. Don't look at ano makukuha mo kaagad today. Look at what can I do today that will make me have more opportunities in the future. And most likely, yung opportunities na yon in the future, mas malaki yon kesa sa reward today.